There's lots of good info in the June issue of Pumper. Let's check out some highlights. When tech meets the septic business, great things can happen. Brian Habouche wanted a retirement gig, so he bought an old-school pumping outfit and exploded revenue by 350% in a year. How did he do it? Read all about it in Pumper magazine. Tired of guesswork? Get precision with Sea Level 806. The Sea Level 806 series gives you dead-on accurate liquid level readings, whether you're hauling sewage or grease. No more climbing tanks, second-guessing levels, or dealing with messy overflows. Visit garnetinstruments.com today. Hey, we know your grease trap waste disposal is eating your profits, so let's take a deep dive into the waste stream your business depends on. You know how your mechanic adds dye to your air conditioning to see if it's leaking? That's pretty much what they're doing for septic systems in Thurston County, Washington. Find out how it works, start to finish, in this can't-miss interview. What if your business could be nationally recognized? Brian Koski built a 25-person powerhouse, and he didn't stop there. Your rig is good, but is it a black beauty that hauls 4,000 gallons and turns heads? Check out this stunning new truck, the classy truck of June. Circling back to septage disposal woes, we're here to show some solutions. Dewatering presses, screening systems, and more can refine your waste and boost your bottom line. Imagine a compact hydrovac that packs the same punch as a full-size rig, fits anywhere, and even tells you when you're overweight. No, that doesn't mean it's going to call you fat. Cash? For septic work? It's happening. Across the country, new funding and regulations are creating a massive surge in demand for septic system repairs and replacements. The Pumper Classifieds. If you know, you know. All that and more is in the latest issue of Pumper. Thanks for watching, and thanks for reading Pumper Magazine.